Hey, my name is Kaushik and today I'm trying to solve the July Lead Code Challenge problem. The question is maximum area of a piece of cake after horizontal and vertical cut. The question number is 1465 and it came as a lead code medium. So let's focus on there. The problem is basically there is an H cross W rectangle cake has been present, and the two array of integer where the horizontal cut and the vertical cut are given. So basically we'll have to return the maximum area of piece of a cake after cut at each horizontal and vertical position provided in the array. That means the horizontal cut and the vertical cut. So the answer can be a large number, so I can take that value after coming that answer. Then after that I will take that modulo through the 10 to the power 9 plus 7. So I am right now trying to dry run on that. Then after that I am trying to implement my logic. So basically my logic is that if I have been taking that a grid 1 2 3 4 2 3, yes, so basically the height is 5, 1 2 3 4 5, height is 5 and the width is 4 and the horizontal cut is 1 3 4 basically, and vertical is 1 and 3, no, maybe, hold on, 1 2 4 and 1 3, 1 2 4 and 1 and 3. So basically the cut is horizontal if I've been taking that one and that one, and my vertical cut is that one and that one. So my logic is that first I will take that part when the vertical has been, if I've been taking that, and that last part, and which is the maximum, so that is from the last cut and that is from the first cut. After that I am traversing all the horizontal cut has been given, that I have been moved forwarding. That means that basically the not sorry, that there is the vertical cut basically. So basically then after that, suppose there is in one condition, that will be the median. That means that suppose that if I have been starting from there, that will be I minus 1, that will be traversing through there, and as well as that is also same procedure, for the when I am taking that height basically, that part and that part, and here is an card that has been present, so I can checking that is it greater than from the previous one or the greater than from the next one. If that is an any it is has been maximized that value in that condition, then it will get updated, and otherwise that will be still stick together. So first dry run on that, and then after that I am trying to implement my logic. See, so basically the cut is there, vertical cut, that one and that one. So when I am trying to do there, so basically my previous value is 0 from that leg, and the height max basically 0 and the V max also 0. So height max from there, basically height max I am taking that as a, that is 1 minus 0 and the last one 1 2 4, so 5 minus 4, so which is the maximum, that is 1 and 1, so that is updated as 1. And after that, right right now I have been taking that for loop, that means the next one. So if I have been taking that, so 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, what is that? That is 1, and 2 minus 1 that has been found, and that has been comparing with the previous one, the which has been present, that means h max. So what is that? That is 1 still. So after that I will check there basically that part. So after that, that one and that goes to there. So 5 minus 1 2 3 4 5 yes, 5 minus 2, what is the max length? 5 minus 2 basically, yeah, 1 2 and sorry 4, not 5, so 4. So 4 minus 2, that is equals to 2. So that's the difference. That is the difference. So that's why it is updated to 1 to 2. So my max height I found there. So so previous value that will be not required. I'm not taking for the next iteration. So I for the previous which has been present right now. So that's why I am erasing to back to 0. Basically there is not I'm not taking, there is no record to previous value. Okay, and right now I am trying to find the width, basically the maximum width. So what is that? First of all I have been checking that one. So 1 minus 0 and the that is the 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 last one, right? Yeah, 1 and 3 basically. So 3 minus 4 basically, no, 1 2 3 4 minus 3, that is 1. So b max basically, that is 1 for both case, and for n case, if I've been taking that difference from that in between, so 1 and 3, so 3 minus 1, that is 2. So previous one is 1, so which is maximum 2. So right now max width is 2 and max height is 2. So if I have been taking their multiply there, so 2 into 2, that is 4. That is the answer. So basically I am trying to do there one more thing, that suppose 1 5 6 2 3, if that way the cut position has been given, so in that case we need that sorted order. So that's why that is the sorted 1 times, and the vertical cut what is given, that is also sorted, that is 1 times. So basically n log n, that is goes to the 1 time, sorry 2 times, and then after that the vertical cut has goes to the n times, and the horizontal cut that goes to the n times. So max to max order of n log n is the whole time complexity. So right now I am trying to implement my logic. Short, I'm making that as a short. Dot begin and now dot end. And the vertical dot begin and the var dot end, that I make there. I am taking as long in basically because there is a large number, so that's why. So horizontal size and long m is var dot size. So basically long maximum horizontal width is basically max of. Yeah, in that case I have to take I have to make an function that is integer long b, and I'm checking that if a is less than b, in that case it will return b, or otherwise it will return a. Yeah, so after that I'm making that value basically the horizontal for 0 minus, that is 0, and the horizontal in minus 1 from the height, horizontal basically, and long maximum vertical width is basically max of vertical of 0 minus 0 and v minus, sorry, the width minus pair of m minus 1. So right now I am taking that in between, that not the outsiding part, I am taking that in between, I less than, first of all in I plus plus the max horizontal, that means that end, yeah, horizontal width is equals to max or width, and that is the horizontal of I minus horizontal of I, that is the I and I minus 1. And for that integer I is equals to 1 to I less than m I plus plus maximum of horizontal, that one, that was horizontal, and the last one basically the maximum vertical width is equals to max of vertical, that means that I have to take in the vertical, I mean that max of the max vertical width of that will be the vertical of I minus vertical of I minus 1, that part, and after that long RT is equals to maximum bar width into max or width, and after that I will return the RT mod MD. And one more thing, we'll have to make that value as define md 1 3 6 7 8 7. So right now I am trying to check my problem is implementation is okay or not. Let me check. Yeah, I found there is a wrong as a compile time issue. So what is that? Okay, I make the mx. Yeah, let me check one more time. I think yeah, accepted. So I am right now trying to submit my code. Yeah, it's got accepted. Thank you so much.